Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon. So earlier today I did a little short on my YouTube just saying what we were going to do today. Hopefully you guys saw it. Today we're going to be just pulling the plugs on our 1960 Hearse here and putting some Marvel Mystery Oil down into the cylinders. It's been a couple years since this car ran, so I just want to make sure that when we turn it over by hand to begin with, that we don't break a ring or anything like that. The cylinders just need a little bit of lubrication after they've sat for a while. So anyway, super simple process. If you don't know how to do it, go ahead and watch this video and we'll teach you how. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe at the end of the video. Let's get started. Alright, so we have our pump can full of the Marvel Mystery Oil. So we're just going to take our spark plugs out. Like I said, super simple and especially easy when you have a car that has no inner fenders or anything like that on it right now. It really couldn't get much simpler. Obviously just loosen them all, take them out. Alright, so we're just going to take our pump can, put the little hose in there, and do probably 2 or 3 pumps just to get some down in there. And like I said, we'll let this sit for a couple days, and then we're going to turn it by hand, just nice and gently, because like I said, this car has sat for a couple years, not that long. This just helps reduce the risk of breaking a ring and causing a lot more problems for yourself. Alright, so super simple, that side's done. We're going to put the plugs back in, just hand tight, and I'll join you on the other side. It always makes life a lot easier too when you can crawl into your engine compartment. Okay everybody, so like I said, we're all done. Super simple process. Like I said, I have all the plugs back in the car, just finger tight. I'm not going to tighten them back down yet because like I said, we want to turn the car over by hand first. Since it has been sitting for a couple years, just want to be careful with those rings and things like that. So anyway, soon we're going to fire this beast up and hear it run again after it hasn't. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much. I'm sure most of you probably already knew how to do this today, but I can't recommend Marvel Mystery Oil enough. And I thank you so much for watching my channel and supporting what I do. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the end. Take care everybody and have a very blessed day.